Good morning, students. How are you? Fine. Please take your book, SST book, and the page number 33, 34, pencil in hand. Okay. Remember, yesterday we were discussing about the evolution under the heading evolution of communication, how the postal system started, and then the telephone, telegraph, and then fax machine. We had concluded with the fax machine, how the fax machine, through the fax machine we are able to send our documents and able to communicate with others. That is what we were discussing. Today we will go further on our electronic media, that is radio and televisions. Both radio and televisions are invented in the early 20th century. Earlier 20th century. This became easy means to communicate. Remember what is communication? Imparting of or the exchange of informations, getting information and giving information from others, and what we say the people are able to understand, and so is then only it is called communication. So that is why we are having the means of communication, radio and television. We are discussing about the means of communication. The radio and television is one of the means of the communications. So this became easy means to communicate information or giving the news to 1,000 people at the same time. So they are the means of mass communication. Remember, mass communications. So personal communication and mass communications. So there are two types of communications. Personal communications, that means person to person, writing letters, talking over the phone. But the television, radio, these are the means of mass communication. Mass means a number of people. So more number of people, not one. So these are the example of mass communications. They also became the greatest source of entertainment for people. Radio is widely used to make announcement today through the radio. Remember our our Prime Minister speaks Man Ki Baat over the radio, television and all that. But the people, those who are in the far away, in the villages, in the remote village where there is no electricity, no road communications and all that, people, they get through the radio. They listen to Man Ki Baat. Okay. So that is the radio and televisions. They are the great source today. Everybody is having. Computer and internet. Next one is the computer and internet. This can be also both personal and as well as the mass communication. Means of personal communication and mass communication. Computer and internet. A computer is a device used for processing the storing and displaying informations. All of us use computer almost every day. Computers are critical for communications. The internet is a global system of interconnected computer network. Internet is a global means worldwide system of interconnectivity of the computers. So computers are all joined. How this computer works is very interesting. All the computers of the world are joint linked, and therefore we are able to get and when it is joint with the photo or the phone connectivity or the internet connectivity, then it is all the more faster. The early 1990s saw the emergence of a household internet use, which eventually increased in common use today. Email, website, blog, social networking, video chat, the voice over net protocol, all those are today we are very much familiar. What I know more than me, you people know. So, okay, so how much we are what called joined or linked with these computer and internet. Okay, so it is not the new thing, just the example. So not only does it help in our communication, but also help in shopping, doing business, making payments, booking tickets, and so on. So it's very, very useful. Today, if I am speaking to you, it is because of this also. Okay. Satellite. Now, how the internet works, it is because of the satellite. How the computer works, it is because of the satellite. The satellites are electronic devices that are sent to space through rockets. Through rockets, satellites are sent. They revolve around our planet. What is our planet? Earth is the planet. They go. See, in the space, all are at the movement, circular or orbit. Orbit movements. They are on their orbit, put their orbit, and then they are on move. So they receive and transmit both. They are able to receive and transmit the information, signals. Telephone, televisions, and computer signals are sent through these communication satellites. We have got hundreds of communications today, different areas of different subjects, different satellites. It is through these signals that we are able to see a live cricket match, football match, and so on, or any incident that happens instantly. We are able to watch on the TV or in our mobile through the internet. Okay, the images sent by satellite help us in forecasting weathers and climate. There are over 2,000 communication satellites. 2,000. Remember, last year, more than 100 satellites, small satellites were sent at a time by PSLV rocket launcher. So India is great. So this is what 2,000 communication satellites revolving around the earth, used by both private and governmental organizations. So this is how it looks. See that a satellite revolving around the earth. Modern inventions in the field of communication have made the world a tiny place, a small place. I remember, whether you remember or not, Rajiv Gandhi, our late Prime Minister, used to say, the Dunya Mutti Mein Kar Lo. What is that? Dunya Mutti Mein Kar Lo. That was the beginning of the mobile. Okay, mobile. So cell phone. So he was use of mobile, he used to say. That was those days, there were no mobiles. And so he was initiating, he was starting. That was the starting point of mobile. And so he says, now time is coming, my dear people, that you will be able to hold the world in your palm. In your palm. That was that today we are holding the world in our palm, in the form of mobile. Yes, cell phone. So that is the story. However, excessive advancement has also led to the increase of crime. A lot of bad things are also imparted through this. With the good people make use of these devices for bad purposes. So increase in crime. Cyber crime has become very common all over the world today, and we all are afraid. We are to be very, very careful in our use of this kind of communication. Otherwise, we fall into the trap of the cyber crime and so on. So this cyber means worldwide. Cyber crime has become a common crime today in the internet, in the world of internet. And so, my dear children, with this I would like to remind you that there will be exam conducted online next month, and you should be ready with at least each lesson. So we have got the 4 lessons and 4 exams, 4 tests. I will be taking different dates. I'll be giving you the dates, and in that date you please be ready. So we will have the test. Soon the dates and time will be given to you next month, just early next month. Next month, yes. Okay, till then, study well and be safe. Remain at home, don't move out.